This is Caibingjie, or the Ice Harvest Festival. It takes place on the first day of the major snow solar term, which was actually yesterday. Now, traditionally, this is the day when the first ice block is hauled from the top of the river.
By December, the ice on the surface of the Songhua River in Harbin is over 30 centimeters thick, perfect for harvesting. More than 1,000 workers and nearly 500 transport vehicles will be required to get the ice off the river and into storage. An average of 10,000 cubic meters of ice will be cut, stacked, and hauled from the Songhua every day.
Today, massive amounts of ice are used in sculptures for the ice and snow world and for the various festivals that go on in Harbin during the winter time. This year, the Asian Games are coming to Harbin, so they need a lot of ice. Anyhow, we got all kinds of activities going on today. As you can see, there's a stage back there, there's drums, there's all kinds of different types of food. Obviously dumplings here, there's barbecue. It's gonna be amazing. Join me as we experience Caibingjie. 你好，你好。There are a lot of people here. Ah, that's where they're making the dumplings. Maybe you can see the steam rising behind me. Let's make something hot. Natural food, natural food. 谢谢. Oh, very savory. So apparently this was pulled from the river right over there. 非常好吃的.
这个是一个雪人牛奶，
对，
然后这个是一个没有刻完的作品。我们一般会拿这样子的刻刀去完成它，然后这样往前推。Yes。我不是东北人。对对对对，是的，是的。
Probably one of the easiest forms of art I've ever tried.
Okay.
Hey. It's beautiful. My first ice painting. Well, that about does it for me. It's absolutely frigid outside, but everybody's having a great time. Yeah, I highly recommend coming out here if you've never done this before because it was an absolute blast. See you next time, guys. Whew.